Hello JEE warriors. The provisional answer key for JEE Advanced 2025 is finally out. But what if you find a mistake in it? So today I'll walk you through the complete objection process step by step so you don't lose even a single mark. So let's get started. First question that comes into our mind is what is provisional answer key? So, the provisional answer key is a set of official answers released by the organizing institute, in this case the IT Kanpur, for both paper 1 and paper 2. It helps you to evaluate your performance and predict your rank. But sometimes errors do happen, right? That's why IT gives you a chance to raise your objections. If you believe your any of your answer is incorrect as per IIT answers. Now, the thing is when and where to raise objections. So, the objection window is open from May 2026, as I already informed you earlier, 10 am from morning itself today to May 27, that is tomorrow, till 5 pm in the evening. What you have to do, you need to visit the official JEE Advanced portal, as you can see it over here, JEE Advanced, and log in with your JEE Advanced registration ID and password that you have got to access your responses and answer key that I talked about in my previous videos. Now, once you logged in, you should know how to raise an objection. So, you will follow these steps. You will log into the candidate portal. You will go to the answer key objection tab. You will select the paper 1 and 2 subject or question number wherever you feel the provisional answers query to be raised. Choose the type of objections that you are going ahead, be it incorrect option marked, ambiguous questions that you feel, or more than one correct answer. Any of these you can choose. And you need to upload a valid explanation for reference. For example, from any book like NCRT, Arihant or HC Verma, you can take reference out of it and then you can upload your answers, your justifications. There will be a nominal fee of 500 per objection, refundable if your answer or if your objection is true or correct, then you'll get your amount back, otherwise it is non-refundable. You can make payment either via debit card, credit card or net banking. So the tip over here is that make sure your objection is logical, concise and supported with strong evidence. Otherwise, you will lose your time, you will lose your money also. Now, once you will raise your objection, what will happen next? So once your answer or your provision is submitted, all objections will be reviewed by IIT Kanpur's expert committee. So if your objection is found valid, they will update the final answer key and marks will be awarded accordingly to all students. Mind it, it's not only for you, it's for everyone who have attended these examinations. So after that, the final answer key and JEE Advanced for JEE Advanced 2020 key 25 results both will be announced on June 2, 2025 as per JEE Advanced calendar. So here's the quick summary that you can go ahead and do that. First, you have to check your answer on JEE Advanced portal. Then you have to raise objections by May 27, that is tomorrow by 5 pm. You have to upload a valid reference, whatever it is, be it from books or from your notes, whatever, it has to be valid, and pay whatever is the fee required, and then you have to wait for the final answer key and obviously the final results. So the tip or the recommendation would be that don't raise random objections, only challenge genuine errors with whatever proof that you have so that you can protect your rank. Otherwise, some penalty might be there. Now, if you feel that this guide has been useful to you, then please like this video, comment below if you are planning to raise any objection, and subscribe for updates on JOSA counseling, cutoffs, and college prediction tools. So I'm going to discuss in coming videos. And all the best, champions. Your dream IIT is waiting for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll meet you in next video. Thank you.